Welcome back to the channel, Casting with Keo. Today we out in the woods, we out in the creek. Check it out. It's real calm, real peaceful out here. It's supposed to get up to like 70 degrees today. But it feels good out here. Not too sunny. Got just the right amount of shade. So today, got my poles with me. Only brought two. I'm doing a little hiking and fishing. I got my Shimano Sienna 1500, and I also got my Berkeley with the Lose reel, speed pool. But yeah, casting with Keo. We in the creek today. Stay tuned. It's like a pretty good area to make a few casts. Alright, so today we're gonna be fishing with our Sienna 500 ultralight spinning reel. It's a nice little combo I picked up at Walmart. Quoted on clearance for I think $10 for the whole combo. Not a bad deal at all. It's got the length 5'6", 2 to 6 pound line, power ultralight, action fast. Yeah, Shimano Sienna 500. Got a little jig tied onto it. We're gonna get busy in this creek right here. Y'all stay tuned. How's it going? All right. Not yet. I just got out here actually. Plan to go further down, but I said this looks nice. Let me stop for a second. It's got the spillway right here. Oh, under the overpass, right?
No, just down from the spillway.
From the spillway, okay.
Down, you kind of get down to the creek there. There's
Right.
a lot of rocks.
Right.
Right in that little area.
Right.
That's the honey. Or every time I
A lot of bluegill and crappie and stuff like that. Yeah. You keep them?
No.
You throw them back? Yeah, I do too. I just do it for the fun of it. You know what I mean? Most of the time. So.
Guarantee you'll catch a couple up
there. Okay, cool. Have a good one, man. Appreciate it. But yeah, it's always good to meet people while I'm out. It happens all the time. I meet people that I probably would never ever meet in life. Out on a trail, out by a lake, out by a pond. So friendly. It's cool. It's refreshing. You know? We'll do a couple more casts here, then we're gonna go ahead and move down the bank. Not getting any more bites over here. I like this Shimano though, it's real smooth, real smooth. It's that Shimano Sienna 500. Alright, I don't really see anything moving or hitting at it, so let's keep going. Okay, so I just walked up to the new spot. Been here before, you've probably seen this on a few videos. And now look what we have here. We got a tree down in the middle of the waterway. It could be good or bad. It could be a million snags, or catch a bunch of fish. Let's go ahead and try it though. Alright, as soon as I turn the camera off, what do you know? A little smallmouth bass. Real small bass. Caught him on a little crappie jig. This is like a miniature bass right here. I don't know if I've seen one this small. It's like a pet bass, huh? Alright. Thank you for playing the game. As soon as I turn the camera off, I catch one. That's alright though. First fish of the day. Been out here for a few hours, so that's not bad at all. Let's try to get another one. Let's go. Oh yeah, and I caught that one on this right here. Berkeley power bait, crappie nibble. Caught me a smallmouth bass. Now let's try to double up. Didn't think anything was gonna bite in this muddy water, but hey, some saw it. Maybe it was the color change. Chartreuse with the chartreuse power bait. Pretty sure it gives off a good smell too, so that might have attracted him to it. At least we didn't get skunked today. Caught something. Better than nothing. I'm gonna cast out by this fallen tree right here. There's gotta be something chilling over there. It's the best cover you can have in a pond like this, or a little spillway. Alright, I changed spots. I still got the jig head with the power bait on it. Gotten a few follows so far. Let's see what we can get. Crappie baits tend to work pretty good over here. That's my third or fourth fish. Crappie bites. There we go. Alright, y'all. Caught us a nice little bluegill. Kind of feisty. Moving around. Hold on. Relax, man, relax. Okay. My bluegill catch looks like a long ear. It's got the ear right here. Spiny. These things are sharp too. But yeah, I caught him on this right here. Chartreuse jig. What a crappie nibble on it. Yep, there we go. That was the second fish of the day. Second species too. First one was a bass. This time we caught, it looked like a long-eared bluegill. I'm glad I got out today. At least caught me 2 fish. I keep getting them on this too. Crappie nibble. And a crappie jig. 6-pound line. Sienna 500 Shimano, putting in that work. Let's go back over there. This turned out to be a nice little bluegill spot. I've caught bluegill, red breast, crappie, right out of this dirty water. I lost a huge bass, had to be about a 3-4 pounder. I put that in my video. He was flopping out of the water. He was pretty big. But I didn't land him. He got away. You can see him flopping out of the water. But I don't mind though. I can catch small fish all day. Still make for a good day of fishing, you know? Pretty clear over here. Looks like something should grab it. I got a nice color on it. Got the nice chartreuse blue and pink. That definitely stands out. I can even see that in the water. Water is pretty clear. I don't see nothing in there moving. That's how I baited up. Baited on a crappie jig, 1/16 ounce jig head, chartreuse. What do you know? Turn the camera off again. Put me a nice little bluegill. As soon as I turn the camera off, bluegill catch. All right, time to send them on back. Good catch of the day, third fish of the day, awesome. Caught him on a crappie bite and a crappie jig. Right out of this spillway right here. Alright, we moved to a different part of the creek. Let's see what we can get over here. It's a little deeper pool. Water's not running like that. And not as many snags as some of the little other areas, but let's see what we can get. Oh shit. Oh man, look at this, everybody. Oh, he's pulling drag. I know y'all can see him. Nice bass. Nice bass. I gotta let him get some drag on there. I don't know how I need a net for this one. Oh, I'm gonna need a net for this one. Oh, y'all see him. Oh, and he came off. Fuck. I would get him on this 6-pound line with a crappie jig. Hell, that was a nice bass. That was my first cast in there. Man.
Thank you for watching Casting with Keo. Like, comment, share, subscribe.